back to my channel. It's Sidhu here. Today I'm going to react to Dan Dedan episode number 11. It is the penultimate episode, I think so. Like the next episode is going to be the final one. So I don't know. I think so. This season is going to have only 12 episodes, and so if it is 12 episodes, it's going to be penultimate. And if it is not, if it is going to be 13, then it is going to be the third last from the last episode. But yeah, any case it may be, I'm excited. I don't know where the story is going. It has always been unpredictable for me. Like the author pulls out some crazy wild shit, and I'm here for it. And to give an example of that, so before going to the reaction, I would like to recap what happened in the previous episode. The previous episode was again, as I said, crazy and contained some of the wildest world buildings I have seen. So one piece of the world building was quite amazing, and it was quite interesting to see, and that was about how and why the aliens, even if they exist, they do exist in this universe as we have seen, then why do they not directly invade Earth with their highly advanced technology? And the reason for that is Earth is populated by the spirits, and spirits have so many powerful powers which can counteract and defend the Earth from the aliens. So aliens fear our spirits, so that's why aliens do not invade the Earth. And that was cool. That was really cool piece of world building, because that is an intuitive question. Like, if aliens exist, why are they tiptoeing around the Earth? Why are they not directly conquering the Earth? And that was a cool piece of world building, as I said. But the second piece was basically the mantis, or I don't know what the creature was, but the boxing alien. Its blood is our milk. Our cow milk is basically its blood, and that was weird. Like, that felt like some kind of ass pull. But I will let it go because it was too fun. The episode was very fun, and we also dealt with the aftermath of them appearing naked. Them three appearing naked in the corridors of the school. So that was funny how they handled that. I thought it was a little bit, they got off that situation easily, a little bit more easily, over realistically, but not over realistically, a little bit of fictitiously easier solution, but they did, and it was fun to see their dynamics, the way they interacted with each other and everything. But at the end of the episode, that's where the bomb was put forward, and basically the first love of Ayase has come back to meet her. We don't know the reason yet. We'll find out in this episode. But yeah, we don't know why he is back, and if he is going to stay for the rest of the series, and if he is going to have powers similar to the pink-haired girl. But now we have a love square, not a triangle, and things are going to get a lot more interesting, I think so. And yeah, Okarun finally has a competitor, so let's see how he deals with it and everything. And yeah, I think so I recapped the previous episode very properly. So without wasting much time, let's get to the episode. Yeah, she was doing a character for them as a punishment, and that's when he came. They were childhood friends, right? Yeah, the shyness or the blushing. Why is he here? And why is he forcing himself into the home? Wow, their mothers are friends too, huh? Yeah, why is he here? But does he know that he was the first love of Ayase? Yeah. Okarun, man, you're in big trouble. Yeah, and he doesn't look like a nerd. He's built well. Exactly. He looks like an athlete. Yeah. What? Another crazy personality here. Yeah, what is this? What is this? He's crazier than the other three. Wow, he does know his words. Yeah, but what's going on here? Yeah, why is he here? Wow, so he is here to stay. But why? But why did he go away then? For him to return. Still means you like it. What? Man, he's a fun personality to have. Man, I'm liking this guy. He's quickly becoming my favorite. Yeah, live together. Oh no, Karun. Hmm. He may have awakened some powers. What? Man, yeah, I forgot. She's crazy too. Yeah. Man, those both are good matches then. This pink-haired girl and that guy. Hmm. Yeah. Wild stuff, man. Yeah, these two and these two are good pairs. Yeah. Oh no. But how will this change the stuff, huh? Oh no, Karun will be jealous. Maybe he should stay here too by asking his parents the permission. Oh no! She is depressed walk. What? Yeah, she is realizing this too. Hopefully. Yeah, give him confidence that you are going to be faithful. What? What? I am also not getting it. Yeah. Oh wow, yeah, he did not say it. Wow, she is blushing here too. Double trouble. Hmm. Still depressed. She has her ex-boyfriend at home living with her. Aww, teenagers. Hmm. Yeah, they are not given the explanation till now. Yeah, what was that? Oh no, what? Why is this so upbeat then? Yeah, that's true too. Man, there is some other reason, definitely. Wow, he does know how to manipulate the granny. Yeah. Yeah. Wow, this guy is a threat. Yeah, something funny going on. But yeah, man, this is so fun. Hmm. Oh yeah, I think so. We've seen him making fun of her in the first episode, right? Yeah. What? Yeah, maybe. Hmm. So not the ball then. Why suddenly the power up then? Hmm. Oh no, something bad happened. The place was haunted. It seems clean enough. How? How different? Whoa, man, that's creepy. Yeah. Whoa. And that also to a little kid. Yeah. But why the sudden powers or his vision? Hmm. Wow, even as a kid. Nice. Nice initiative. Initiative. Taking responsibility, huh? Wow. Wow, that's things suddenly heated up. That's too violent. He got so serious suddenly. I have been having so much fun. Oh wow, the fifth person. Hmm. Yeah, but wow. Maybe these three can help. Yeah. Oh, wow. She's blushing again. Yeah, she is. Hmm. Wow. Okay, she is sending them. That's true. I forgot about that. She's using her feet to point. Hmm. Yeah, so something triggered it. Oh wow, how did it end up there? Suddenly. Hmm. Okay, so wow, this is going to be the next arc then. Wow, the episode is named First Love. He is fun. I know I'm repeating it, but yeah, Jin. I'm going to remember him. Yeah, he is cool. I can see how Ayase liked him. All the boys reacting in a harsh way. He's already starting it. Wow. Tasty roast. Yeah, he has his way with words. Yeah. Hmm. Wow. He announced it. Yeah. Wow. He is something else. Man, nice. Her friends are supporting Okarun. Jealous. Yeah. Wow. The teacher is teaching about jealous. He is realizing that he is in love with Ayase. Hmm. Wow, yeah, Momo. I did not notice that. Hmm. She will start hanging out with, yeah. Oh wow, that's his fear. Oh wow. He's still innocent. Aww. Yeah, understandable. Start training, man. Start building the body. Yeah, I thought so too. Hmm. Good. Wow, she came to him. That's going to boost his confidence. That's nice. She is also trying to protect him from the pink-haired girl. The feeling is mutual. Wow. Couple activities. Take the chance, man. Don't hesitate. Oh wow, he's here. Kawaii. Her favorite? Yeah. He knows too much, man. He has too much insider info for Okaru to compete. Oh no, he was going to get fed. And that guy destroyed the chance or the opportunity. Bad move, man. Don't give up now. What? Huh? Who is this guy? Is he wearing a suit or is he a spirit? Oh wow. This is a cool animation. Yeah. No, I think so it is a human wearing a suit. Wow. Golden ball? Yeah. Maybe. So it is a spirit. Wow, I thought it was a human. Wow, wow. Too many things are happening, yeah. Wow. Momo, hang on to me. He's still going. He thinks he is protecting Ayase. Too fun. Too entertaining. But where is the spirit running? And I thought the golden ball is going to be in that haunted house, not. He is transforming. Yeah, as I said, I thought the golden ball was going to be in the haunted house, not with this spirit. Then what is the deal with the haunted house then? What? What is the deal with those shoes? Did he arrange them and ran? That is too funny. But where is the spirit running? Yeah, Okarun is faster. Oh no! I thought it was going to work for a second. Ooh, man, this is dangerous. Okay, nice. So our GG doesn't have any powers then? He can only see the spirits? Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I can understand the confusion. Too much destruction. I am still surprised that no one is noticing all the shenanigans since episode 1. But where is he heading to? Give up what? Oh, what? Ooh, yeah, gross. You can rearrange. Wow. Or merge. Too hard to catch him, man. But yeah, where is he heading? He's off. Hmm. That was strange. Why was he near their school and everything? Like, where was he heading? No, it is someone else shouting. I don't think so. It's going to be the spirit. It's going to be that easy to find him. Huh? What is she doing with her hands? Yeah. What? What was she doing? So he's finally tired, huh? Close to what? Hmm. Wow. She was pressing the hand? Too brutal. Yeah. My god. Hmm. That's a strange phrase. Yeah. Who is this? Huh? What? He's searching for his wife or something? Some other doll? Man, are they going to make this sentimental too? Come on. The motivational or inspirational music again. Or sentimental music, I should say. Oh, that is too graphic. Wow. So cool. So many emotions we are going through, yeah. Wow, he's relating to his speech. We're going through entertaining happiness, sad, again happiness, now romantic. So are they mannequins or what? Huh? Or some medical dolls? Wow. Inspirational. Oh, Karun, come on. Listen to him. Yeah. Keep your chest high. Damn man, why are they ending it here? I like to see what was the deal with all of this. Well, guys, the episode ended there, and it was again a crazy episode. Like as I said, we went through so many fluctuations in the emotions, or so many shades of emotion. Like the episode starting with his crazy, and entertaining personality. Gigi entertained us, and I had a bunch of laugh, and it was entertaining as hell. But suddenly we saw his backstory, and it was suddenly like went serious and started feeling sad for him. Then again funny, then again entertaining, and suddenly then we start feeling sad for Karun and his jealousy or his state and everything. But again at the 5:30 sunlight and everything, cool. So yeah, if the next episode going to be the final one, I'm not sure. If it is, then they have too many things to conclude. Hopefully, it is going to be a satisfying ending. It was a great first season. I know that we have all had so much fun, as I have been seeing so many meme culture surrounding the anime and everything. So yeah, this has been such a fun season. I hope so they stick the landing and create more curiosity and anticipation for the next season too. Along with that, so yeah, I'm here for it, guys. I enjoyed this episode a lot. The interactions between the different dynamics between the different characters and everything, very funny. The way this GG guy was manipulating everyone with his words, manipulating the granny, like pulling the heartstrings, manipulating not in a bad way, but buttering them up. So that was cool to see his personality. His personality is such a bomb, I must say. That is the only word that is coming to my mind. It is an explosive personality. Yeah, that's the correct word. And yeah, it is a much needed personality. So yeah, we have not seen much of the pink-haired girl in this episode. Only at the start. I don't know where she went away in the school. I thought she would return. Yeah, she did say she is going to prepare for the Ragnarok. I don't know what's that going to result in, but yeah, had too much fun in this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode as much as I did, and I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction to this episode. And if you did, please like, share, subscribe, and press the notification bell so that you'll get notified when my other reaction videos drop. And also do comment below in the comment section your thoughts on this episode, your thoughts on my reaction, and if you have any tips or suggestions for me, as I'm new to this reaction thing, I do need any kind of feedback, suggestion, input that I can get from you guys. So please guys, please comment down below. I read all the comments, I reply to each and one of them. So please guys, please interact with this video, help me out, it's free to do. So I hope you guys do it. And with that being said, I would also like to thank everyone, all of those who have already been helping me, liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, sharing the videos, pushing the notification bell, and most importantly, coming back to the reactions to the videos each and every week. Thank you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll meet you guys in the next episode's reaction.